Ever had a friend say, "There's no proof what exists"? They think they've got you cornered, but here's the twist. You're about to flip the script and leave them speechless. This isn't just about proving God exists. It's about exposing the flaws in their thinking. Let's go. Step 1. Make them prove their own belief. They say, God isn't real. Ask them, what proof do you have that he doesn't exist? Watch them freeze. Atheism isn't a default, it's a belief claim. If they say there's no evidence, fire back with no evidence, or no evidence you've actually looked at. Now they're on defense. Let's hit them with real evidence. Step 2. The universe had a cause, and that points to God. Science proves the universe had a beginning. Ask them, everything that begins to exist has a cause, right? They'll say yes. The universe began to exist. So, what caused it? The universe couldn't cause itself, and it couldn't come from nothing, because nothing creates nothing. The only logical answer, a cause beyond space, time, and matter, or God Genesis 1:1. If I told you a car appeared in your driveway from nothing, would you believe me? Watch them struggle. Step 3. Design demands a designer. DNA is a language. It's code, and every code has a coder. Ask them, if you found a book in the woods, would you think it wrote itself? They'll say no. Then why assume DNA? Way more complex than any book. Just happened. If design can come from nowhere, why don't we see buildings or cars randomly appear? Step 4. Morality destroying their good without God argument. People say, you don't need God to be good, but without God, good doesn't even exist. Is murder wrong? They'll say yes. Why? If we're just animals, why is anything right or wrong? If morality is just opinions, then nothing is truly right or wrong. But we know certain things are always wrong. Moral laws require a moral lawgiver, or God Romans 2:15. If morals are just opinions, what's stopping someone from saying murder is right for them? Step 5. The resurrection of Jesus, the ultimate proof. Jesus didn't just claim to be God, he proved it by rising from the dead. Historical records confirm he was crucified. His tomb was empty. Over 500 eyewitnesses saw him alive. 1 Corinthians 15:3-6. The disciples died for this claim. Who dies for something they know is a lie? If Jesus didn't rise, where's his body? Why didn't his enemies just produce it? Last step. How to win conversations. Ask questions. Make them explain their beliefs first. Expose contradictions. Atheism has no real foundation. Present the evidence. The universe, DNA, morality, and Jesus all point to God. Keep it personal. Your testimony is undeniable. Next time someone says, there's no proof of God, just smile. Because now you know exactly what to say.